blasting is probably going to be required for the construction of this project. Pretty much all of us in Ira get our drinking water from drilled wells with the tectonic clip and the overthrust. The rocks are already a jumble, probably pretty easily disturbed by this blasting. Will you agree to compensate landowners in this town, residents in this town, if their drinking water is affected by the blasting, the quality of the water, the production of the wells? Because this is something that could make it impossible to live in our houses.
Obviously, that is a significant concern. One of the main issues that this civil engineering folks are trying to address is how to minimize that, looking at routes or other issues to try to minimize that kind of activity. Also to study, again, to see if they can study and anticipate situations that might occur like that. I don't know what exactly the requirements would be relative to the Public Service Board requirement along these lines, and the issue, of course, would be difficult. The difficult issue is demonstrating the connection, cause and effect connection. I understand that that's a big issue. But on a number of other issues, the Public Service Board has been pretty definitive about placing the responsibility for holding, meeting certain standards or holding the homeowners harmless, the abutters and neighbors harmless for the impacts of the project, up to and including interference with television reception. So they set standards for these things. If after the fact it's proven that those standards have been violated, it's the developer's responsibility to do whatever they have to do in order to bring the project back in within those standards, and that can be on a residence by residence basis. Now, how that might apply, how that might apply in terms of blasting or wells or water aquifers, I really don't know, but that is the kind of condition and requirement they do generally place on there, and it's a good question. It's a fair question.